So you guys loved our OEM Plus custom headlights that we recently launched, so we decided to make them available for you as a DIY kit as well. So you can cut the cost of getting them custom made and build them yourself into your existing housings. So instead of getting the whole new unit, you would just get the components inside and build them into your existing housings. So you might be wondering, why would I buy these over a basic LED globe replacement? And that is because these are a projector rather than just a normal plug-in globe. That means you get a very distinct low beam cutoff, so you can't blind oncoming traffic so long as you've adjusted the height of your headlights correctly. Then when you flick over to high beam, you get a much higher, brighter beam. So with a globe replacement, you're going to get a much brighter light than your factory halogen, but it still relies on the reflector on the back of your housing. So what that does is blinds oncoming traffic regardless if you're low or high beam. It's much brighter and harder to look at. So if you don't want to do that and you don't want to be constantly getting flashed by people on the road, you should definitely get yourself some projectors.